When you first look at professional power tools, it's easy to get overwhelmed by the sheer amount of technical jargon. You see numbers for RPM, torque, and voltage, and you start wondering if you need a dedicated professional workshop just to figure out which drill is right for the job. But what if I told you there's a piece of equipment that genuinely simplifies the process while still offering robust, industrial-grade performance? This Milwaukee M18 kit is one of those tools that delivers serious power without the unnecessary complexity, making it a serious contender for serious DIYers and tradespeople alike. It's built to handle demanding tasks right out of the box. I've been testing this drill for the last few weeks, and I want to be completely transparent. I am not sponsored by Milwaukee, and I haven't been paid to talk about this. I just bought it because I needed something that could handle concrete drilling on a job site, and my previous setup felt inadequate. I was struggling with repetitive, high-torque tasks, and frankly, the vibration in my old tool started giving me discomfort in my wrist after just an hour of use. I needed something that felt durable, reliable, and that wouldn't quit halfway through drilling through a tough block of material. The job demanded consistency, not just raw power. What really impressed me about this unit was how durable the half-an-inch all-metal chuck is. It felt incredibly solid in my hand. Secondly, the variable speed control is a major discovery. It allows you to adjust the power output precisely, which is key when drilling into different materials. Thirdly, the hammer drill mode handles masonry work with noticeable ease. Fourth, the inclusion of the 5.0 Ah batteries means you get extended runtime, which is crucial when you're working all day. Fifth, the metal belt clip is a small detail, but it makes carrying the tool to the worksite incredibly convenient. Compared to premium competitor models that start near the $400 mark, this Milwaukee kit offers comparable performance for a much lower price point, around $250. I have to point out one minor drawback, though. The case is quite large, so portability might require an extra carry-on bag if you're moving between multiple job sites. Picture this. It's a damp Saturday morning. You're knee-deep in a basement renovation. The air smells of fresh concrete and dust. You set up the drill, adjust the variable speed, and suddenly, the drill bites into the masonry with a steady, powerful rhythm. The vibration is manageable, and the speed keeps up with your pace, making the whole process feel efficient and controlled. You move from block to brick without missing a beat. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.